Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my October 2021 BOXYCHARM unboxing. So I'm really excited that I just got both of my BOXYCHARM boxes in the mail. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing my $25 a month base box, but right after I do this video, I will be unboxing my premium box. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notifications if you are interested in seeing those unboxings. I did already get my Ipsy Plus, so I'm still waiting on my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glossy Box, but I love my monthly beauty subscription services, and I'm really excited to also do full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in these boxes and the glam bags as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I'm glad to see that BOXYCHARM Base Box is staying at $25. Ipsy increased their price on their $25 a month Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to $28 a month now. And looks like there is a price increase with BOXYCHARM starting next month on the Premium and the Luxe. But this one, they say, is staying at $25. And I'm really excited to see what kind of value I'm getting for $25. So BOXYCHARM is great at sending product information, so I can add up my total retail value that way. And let's go ahead and start pulling out some products. Ooh. So right on top here are some lashes, which I rarely ever get lashes in my beauty subscription boxes. I also rarely wear false lashes, but I'm excited to see these. These are from the brand Tint Beauty, which is a makeup brand that I am not familiar with, or I don't even know if they make makeup, or just a brand that I'm not familiar with. And that's one of my favorite things about these beauty subscriptions is that I get to learn about new brands. And these look beautiful. The Mary Lash. So they're kind of like, you can see crisscross, but I love to see that it has an invisible band. So I'm really excited to see how these are going to look on me. Let's see the retail value. On the Tint Beauty Mary Lash is $25. I never knew this. So it says, choose your products for your next box the second Monday of every month. I always struggle to figure out when I could do my BOXYCHARM choice. And little did I know, second Monday of every month. So if you didn't know that either, there you go. All right, next, ooh, I see a product from Tarte. I love the brand Tarte, and I have actually been getting a lot of Tarte products in BOXYCHARM and Ipsy lately. And this here is the Tarte Wink of H2O. Ooh, vegan collagen eye cream. I love using an eye cream, and vegan collagen sounds like definitely something I want to have in my eye creams. I'm trying to keep those eye wrinkles away as long as possible, so I think this would help me with that. So the Tarte Wink of H2O vegan collagen eye cream retails for $35. Usually I'm not too excited to get skincare, but when it's skincare from Tarte, I'm excited about it. And an eye cream. I use an eye cream morning and night, so I'm definitely going to get use out of this. All right, next, I see a palette from the brand Ace Beauté. It's the Falling For You palette. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful packaging. I live in Massachusetts, and I drove up to New Hampshire today, and seriously, the fall foliage is gorgeous. I love this time of year. I mean, it was still nice out. I was outside all day, and it was just such a great fall vibes type of day. So let's see what kind of fall vibes we get with these colors. Oh my gosh, yes! These look so beautiful. It's actually, once I'm like really looking at the colors, this is actually a very full color eyeshadow palette. Like, you don't really get any neutrals, but gosh, you get some gorgeous shades in here and some great looking shimmer metallics. Oh, I love trying out eyeshadow palettes, and this one I think is going to be so fun to try. So the Ace Beauty Falling For You palette retails for $34.99. I got a really beautiful fall themed eyeshadow palette in my Ipsy Plus bag as well. And I just love fall makeup, and the colors that I associate with fall makeup are really like the colors in this palette and the colors with fall foliage, and I'm so excited to wear those types of looks. Next, I see a product here from the brand Tint, T-Y-N-T. This sounds like a familiar brand, but I definitely have not tried out many products from this brand. It's the Lash and Brow Duo. What? This is so cool. It says brown brow gel, black mascara. This seems so unique. I have never seen a product like this. Ooh, and it has really nice packaging with some weight to it. This is so cool. Okay. Oh, we've got this skinny little brow gel, which I love, a tinted brow gel. And then the mascara. Ooh, with the type of wand that I like, the little spiky wand. I'm really excited about this. This is so cool. I love unique, innovative types of makeup products, and this is so cool and intriguing to me. Let's see, so the retail value on the Tint Beauty Lash and Brow Duo is $29. Ooh, and I also love like a multitasking product. I am so excited about that. And then my fifth and final product in here is from the brand Appeal Adhesive Liquid Liner, Jet Black. Oh my gosh, I think I just got a black liquid eyeliner. Why? I have gotten so many black liquid eyeliners in Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, and I do not wear black liquid eyeliner. You know what? Maybe it does say adhesive. Okay, I take that all back. If this is adhesive black liquid eyeliner to go with these lashes, then we are good. I'm excited about that. Okay, let's see if that's what it is. Apply adhesive liquid liner to lash line. Allow to become tacky. Apply faux lashes. Okay, this changes it all. This eyeliner actually seems like it can be used with any lashes. So I love that they put these two together, because I actually remember I did get lashes, I think once, in Ipsy or BOXYCHARM. And I remember saying like, oh, this is cool that they sent lashes, but what is someone supposed to do if they don't have lash glue? Because a lot of people get Ipsy and BOXYCHARM to introduce themselves to new makeup products. And I remember seeing comments of people being like, yeah, I got these lashes, but I don't have lash glue. So I'm actually so glad that they included this. I hope that they include this for everyone that gets the lashes. Let me know in the comments down below if you got lashes, if you also got adhesive eyeliner. And this is really cool. This totally changes the classic black eyeliner that I was pretty upset to see again in my box. But if I can use this with any lashes, that is amazing. And this also kind of seems like a familiar brand to me, but I'm not too sure. Appeal. So it'll get me to try out more products from this brand. Yay! I feel like I got everything I need for the eye area of my face. So I've got the eye cream from Tarte. I'll do a recap to show you all these eye products as well. The brow and mascara from Tint. Then I got my eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty, the Falling For You palette. And then I've got my lashes with the Appeal liner and the Chimera Onique Beauty lashes. I love to see that this all goes together and I can wear all of these at once and get use out of all of these together. I also did not tell you the retail value of Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner is $29. Wow, I also feel like these were all pretty much around that same price point. Yeah, there was no like super expensive product in this, but there was also no inexpensive product. Let's see, my total retail value is $152.99. So like $153. And I actually remember when I unboxed my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is now $28 a month, I was very curious to see how that value would compare to this BOXYCHARM, which is still $25 a month, and my Ipsy Plus had a value of $115. So $115 for the $28 Ipsy Plus versus $153 value of the $25 BOXYCHARM box. So there's better value in BOXYCHARM, at least with their medium, well, it's not even medium for BOXYCHARM, it's their base box. But for their around $25 box, better value in BOXYCHARM, it seems. And I'm honestly excited about every single product. So I think this is a fantastic box for me. I can't wait to try these products out. If you've tried any of them, please let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And I'd love to hear what you got in your October 2021 BOXYCHARM base box. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.